Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing a virtual contest of Weekly Contest 471. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest and these poems and everything in between. Alright, am I ready? Yeah, let's go. I mean, I know that in the beginning, I have my notebook ready, my pencil ready, but I know that Leetcode has like weird things to contest when when it just finished, but we'll see how it goes. All right, let's go. Go, go, go. Two, 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 two. I missed a quick one though. Okay. Are we recording? Yep. Things are loading. Okay. No. All right. 16,012. All right. And is equal to 1,000. F of oop. Okay, and what, I mean, I know I could count it. I mean, right to the now if mx times 442. All right. No silly mistakes, please. I didn't. Maybe I should have double checked stuff. Okay, that was a little bit too fast for me, honestly. Like I probably should have slowed down a little bit. Doesn't really say. I guess we have to wait till Leetcode fixes the thing. But that was a minute and 40 seconds too fast. All right, Q3. Given a string as considered of A, B, and C. It's the same as before, but only 3 letters. And it could be really big. So we can't do the same thing, I guess. How do I want to write this? Probably not that bad, but because there's only 3 letters. I guess the other one only had 26, but okay. Can I do no? Not DP. Got it. I still be as big as the entire thing, right? It's not binary searchable. It's something like, I mean, prefix sum is a given, I guess. But how do I incorporate them together? What if there's only 2 of them? Does that matter? 3 of them? Okay, we can separate them out, brute force, right? We can do 2 of these and then, or 3, and then we just do a sweep line on all those combinations. Okay, that's not that bad, I see. Okay, so that's for 1 in a row. This is not a minute problem, I'll tell you that. Okay, and then now we have to get to 2. I mean, do 2 is fine. I just don't think what is the right way to do it. Okay, that means that as soon as we see the next letter, there's no bueno. Okay, what do we need all 3. Does this actually give me the answer for 3? All 3 colors? Does it? Didn't even give me for 2. So for 2 you can tokenize, and then once you tokenize, what happens? What am I thinking of? I'm thinking of DP, right? Because then it's just +1, -1, and then prefix, right? Okay, yeah, it's not the count. It's prefix sum on the delta. I see. I see. And then it is just getting okay. I see. Okay. So P is the prefix is equal to 0. C is equal to maybe -1. I always forget how to structure these. Okay. Else. I still don't know how to do the 3 cases one though, so I have to maybe think about that. Okay, so then now this includes it. So then now best is equal to fbest of kern minus scene of kern, or index minus scene of kern. Okay. Okay, fine. Then best is equal to okay. How do I do the 3 case though? It always has to have all 3. Okay, I mean this is good. No, this should be. Oh no, there's a 4. Wait, why does it give me 3? Oh, is this +1? Okay, so this is good, but actually this 3 doesn't even make sense really. Where does the 3 come from? Huh? Like that is just not right. Double check. Okay, it's not from that. So AB 4 is right. 1 is. Wait, this is not right though. Alright. Oh, I didn't reset. Okay. This is still not right because AB this should give me 2. BC, that's definitely not right. What am I? Okay. And we still have to fix another part of the problem. Do people get it? We got it very fast, so I must be like not thinking it right. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I'll think about that later. We have to still fix this first. AB2 is 1, AB0 is weird. Right? Oh, I'm dumb. I have to update. No. Okay. Okay, I mean, maybe I'm just wrong the +1. I think it is. I think there is the +1 though. Also, one of these is wrong, so it's not, doesn't make sense. Oh, I see. This is because this is -1. Okay, I think this is now right because it's the index of the setup. Okay. Of the index before. Okay. Okay. So then, okay. So I think we got this part right, but then now we have to do ABC. How do we do A, B, and C? People got it very fast. I guess people even solve it generally, maybe. I don't know. Well, Alex took 9 minutes, so I don't feel so bad. I mean, I expect to be multiple of his score time. It's just that I don't feel so bad for taking 15 minutes, for example. Okay. How? How? Is there any way? Binary search? I don't think so. At least not easily. And we could test for 1 and then 2, but then that, and then sliding window, but that isn't, that's too slow, right? So it seems like I opened the same prompt twice. Oh well. But can I generalize this? Like, can I make pairs? Maybe that's it. How would that look like? Maybe it is the same idea. So we have 3 pairs. We have to do. Right. Maybe, I don't know. It's maybe the same idea. Well, these are the current and scene of right. Maybe. See. Something like that, maybe. And this draws the parallel over there. I don't know if this is quite right, but it's just an idea. Expanding on what we had before. Don't have any idea. I probably should test a little bit more, but I have no idea, so I'm going YOLO. I can't believe I got this one wrong. Okay, that is just silly. Why did I not test that? Yes. Okay. That is the stupidest way to get a wrong answer, though. That is actually dumb. I feel so bad on that one. Like, I got the hard part and I got the silly part wrong. Okay. Let's see. Sum of perfect square ancestors. Okay. Integer n, undirected tree root at node 0 with n nodes. Can't believe I got it wrong on the dumbest part. And I don't even need it, apparently. No, I guess maybe I do. I don't know. Why doesn't that work, actually? Whatever. We'll think about that another time. Okay. Just have edges. That's all this is saying. You're given an integer where num sub I is the positive. Okay, so we have nodes, we have edges, and you have some value associated. Define t, but such that the product num sub I times number of ancestor is a perfect square. Oh, it's a tree rooted. Okay. It's a rooted tree. Ancestors, number of ancestors is a perfect square. With the product, is within the sum, t sub I is the number of ancestors of node I, and then sum of all of them. Okay. I guess n could be pretty big, and we have an edge, basically a linked list. Then it's going to be not a great time, right? How do I write this? Without checking all the previous ones, right? Guess that's the idea. Well, 10 to the 5th, so what does that mean? There's 1,000 squares, is it? Or less than 1,000, right? So there are 1,000. Can we check 1,000 for each of the n? No, that's too much. So, I have to draw it. I mean, I don't have to draw this out, but I should draw this out. So you have 2a2. Right, and then 2 times, oh, it's the product, not the sum. So we just have to track the evenness, the odd evenness of numbers, primes up to 10 to the 5th. Well, not primes, but obviously not primes, but just like we could. Oh yeah. I don't think this is that bad. You just keep track. Pass it down recursion. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay, right, and then now we want to whatever, right? We want to get, yeah. Can nums be 1? Okay. Does 1 matter? 1 is weird. Yeah. No, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. One is still numbered though. Weird though. Okay. And then now we just want to store a bit mask, right? So, but it's recursion. No, so you shouldn't pass a bit mask. Maybe you should. How many primes are there on the time? Like a lot. So we want. Okay, this is one. I mean, all this is semantics. I think this is not that bad. Yeah. This is not that bad. This is not that bad. Okay. So the current is let's look up let's just say we have maybe that's right, guys. Let's say ancestors. Yeah, okay. So then now we have to get get prime of the for some x, right? So then now it's just no, I think it's fine. I'm trying to optimize too much. I think that's right. I think there's a better way to write this, but I don't know. And next, right? And then we return s. I don't know if this is. I think this should be fine, but. I think this should be fine, but I might as well just clean it up and cache this. Okay, so then now s is equal to this, right? Then now we're counting the ancestors. It's just the sum or the sum, right? So then now total is equal to 0. We can say we can just pass it along, I suppose. I don't know. Either way is fine. Right? Oh. I think there's a million times I forget how to write. course. Nope. Not answer. Yeah. We know, and we are Gucci, I think. 3, 1, 2. As long as we're not running out of time for some reason. Do I have some silly loop that I don't know about? P could be 1. When would P is equal to 1? Well, this is dumb though. Alright, that's much better. 3, 1, 2, is that what I said? Alright, that's YOLO submit. Okay. I mean, not so bad. Very dumb mistake on Q3. I feel so sad about Q3. That wrong answer is such a silly wrong answer because that was like the easiest part of the problem. Oh my. Like I almost like, if I get the wrong answer, I get the wrong answer, right? But getting the wrong answer that way is a little bit sad. I am curious though. I thought that this would F3 would work for all of these. Like I almost want to say I'm surprised that this doesn't. Maybe I'm not that surprised, to be honest. Yeah, maybe this only works for O3 because otherwise, because my assumption was that the last digit would be like the one that, like, if we don't look at only A, B, A, yeah, I don't think that makes sense actually, because we're looking at A's, then in theory BC doesn't matter, but no, I think it matters. I think I was just being dumb. That is a little bit sad though. Yeah, I mean, let's do a quick retro real quick. 1 is straightforward, not going to go over it, no retro. What's 2? I mean, 2 was n square, right? Is that the way we did it? Yeah, n square, so also no intro, no retro, just for straightforward. Q3, I mean, it took me a while to do this part, but I got everything right? Or like, it took me a while to come up with it. I think the idea behind this is inspired by this. I was like, well, if we just look at the relationship between two things, how can I extend it, right? So then that's how I got it. But I can't believe I messed this part up. Yeah, I mean, in Q4, I think it was pretty straightforward. We just have to remember what square means, right? So once you remember what square means, it is pretty fine. And the wrong answer is just sad. Where would I have been without the wrong answer? 60th? I don't know about what game rankings in 90. And technically speaking, I guess more people are cheating and will drop out. Alex, I thought I saw Alex. Oh yeah. Alex 16, congrats Alex. Good job. I should have known, because I think when I was debugging this, it was returning best as 1, which should have known that was wrong, but I just kind of never followed up on it. But yeah. I like this. I like this prompt though. To be honest, I mean, obviously, it's very different from me. But Q4 was relatively standard, to be frank. Maybe you could say there is some awkwardness about the hashing, but I don't know. I'm not worried about it. And probably if you're a little bit careful in constructing this, you can get away with the sort. I think, yeah. I mean, the way that I did it actually is in reverse, but I think it's fine. Whatever. Yeah, I think maybe I did do it that way, but yeah, not gonna worry that much about it. No, I mean, I think that's fine. Yeah. I mean, I would say, I thought maybe that, yeah, huh. I guess now this would just keep on going positive because this is explicit for F3. But I can't believe I got this one wrong though, so that's a little bit sad. But yeah, I mean, overall, finally a little bit of a redemption, even with the silly wrong mistake. And I assume a good amount of people were cheating anyway, so we probably do a little bit better. But anytime you're top 100, I guess nowadays with all the cheaters and ChatGPT and whatever, I'm gonna be a little bit happy about it, or at least, you know, just that. I don't know. Recently, I haven't been able to do this during virtual contests or during real contests, but I've only done 2 contests, so I don't know. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. That's all I have for this contest. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.